In response to queries raised by Mauringkaneng MLA Havingstone Kharparan regarding the construction of fishery ponds, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the state government has allocated a total of 97.68 crore rupees for the construction of 3,230 fishery ponds under various schemes from 2020 to 2024. Sangma explained that the Aqua Mission, launched in 2011, has successfully produced 4,000 metric tons of fish, and as of now, the state produces up to 20,000 metric tons against the total fish production demand of 32,000 metric tons.
Sir, there is actually always a joint effort by the fishery and the health department, the food safety. The Commissioner of Food Safety is there, sir, under the Health Department. And there's always a joint operation, or you can say exercise, that's conducted every once in a while. And there is no way for us to check every kg or every piece of fish that comes in. But these kind of inspections do allow us to then identify maybe the suppliers or the different wholesalers who are actually sending fish that may have formalin in it.